Right, so now the tank's in, we've got to make sure we can get the actual water into the tank. So how are we going to be doing that?
We're going to do that with this little lovely thing here.
Yep.
This is our water inlet, Nick. That's going to go on the side of the van, and you see this massive pipe here. That's going to take our feed down to our tank underneath.
Ah, okay.
And then we can pop our hose, whatever it is we're filling that tank up with, straight in there with a lockable key.
Nice, safety.
Yeah, safety, so nobody steals your water. Yeah, so that does mean we need to cut a hole in the side of the van.
Okay. So why have you chosen this area, I guess?
I've chosen this area because it's fairly direct above where the back of the tank is and where the inlet for the tank is. So I want to try and keep the pipework fairly straight and down to the tank rather than deviating too far left or right.
Yeah, fair enough.
Keep it simple, really.
So to cut out this sort of hole, is it just a jigsaw job? Or?
Yeah, we'll drill a hole and pop the jigsaw in it, and hopefully I'll be able to get around with the jigsaw quite easily because it's quite large. I haven't quite got a hole saw that big. It's about 80, just measure it actually, 80 odd mil.
First?
Well, I don't want a bit of shrapnel on my eye.
No. And, I guess just like the windows, you can do like a pilot hole.
Yeah, so a little pilot hole first. This is 3.5 mil drill bit. So that should fire through quite easy. And then we're open up to probably 8, 10 mil to be able to get the jigsaw blade in there. So somewhere like that, I think. There we go. And pilot. Look at that. We don't want to push too hard because I don't want to distort the panel, you see. So nice sharp drill bit. Perfect. Going with a bit of gloving as well.
Extra safety.
Yeah, it just takes a bit of the vibration off your hands with the old jigsaw, you see. Bit of that. Well, that's steamed up. Must have a hot head. So I'm thinking full throttle.
Yeah, full throttle, right. Steady as it goes.
Steady as it goes, flat out. You ready?
Yep.
Precision is the key. I don't really want to be filing it too big if it doesn't fit. Well, we've got a hole.
Perfect. Do you want to test it, see if it fits?
Yeah, we'll give it a test. Like the way you come rushing over with it, Nick. Yes, fine. Fits really well.
Yeah.
Okay, it is a touch tight.
This needs a bit of filing, I guess.
Which is better than a touch loose.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, a little bit of a file up. Actually, it's only sort of to clean up the edges, I think, and that'll fit nice and snug in there.
Perfect.
Cool. Right, I better get my file then, Damn it.
And the hole is done.
Ta-da! Check it out. So I filed him round. It fits lovely, and I've also marked out our holes on masking tape, as you can see. So I can pop a drill through that and actually screw it on.
Nice and easy?
Yeah, nice and easy, exactly.
Nice and
and I'm going to pop a little bit of paint around that bare edge as well, Nick.
Oh yeah, like the rust stuff.
Just to stop it rusting.
Yeah.
And then we'll pop a little bit of extra sealer on.
I was going to say, because when you're fitting it, it's essentially just slotting in, isn't it? So you just want to...
Yeah, but it has got a rubber gasket.
Yeah, but you do want to seal around here, don't you?
Yeah, definitely. I just like to have that little extra insurance, make sure it's going to be absolutely watertight. 1, 2, 3.
If I remember correctly, this comes with fixings already, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. There's fixings in the bag and the locker as well. So we've got the keys to lock the cap.
Nice.
So nobody can steal your water at night.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, if you didn't put paint on it and you did get water in there, you just have these horrible brown stains down there, wouldn't you?
Yeah, rusty stains.
Yeah, we don't want that.
So this actually comes with a rubber seal in the pack when you buy it, but you said you're also going to do some sealant around the edge as well.
Just a little bit, Nick, just to make sure. So if this seal shrinks over time, I'm talking years, like however many years, if we've got a bit of sealer on there, it will stop it leaking.
Nice.
Yeah.
And you can get a sealant from us as well.
Yeah, this is actually really good stuff. It's made by these guys, JB World. They do really good quality stuff, and this is an all-purpose, room temperature vulcanizing silicon sealer, adhesive gel.
And it's clear as well, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a good
So
thing.
you won't be able to see it on the van.
And we're only going to pop a little bit on, and then just run a bit round the inside of the gasket.
Right.
Sealer's ready. It's all lined up.
Nice.
Pop it in, look at
Perfect fit.
Perfect fit. And now all I need to do is line my screw holes up. Oh, they're already lined up, Nick. That's amazing.
As if you've done this before.
Yeah. So I know what I'm doing.
Perfect. And it even lines up properly as well.
Yeah.
Truth, does the lock work?
Well, I think I might have just locked it. Let's unlock it. Oh, I did just lock it.
Hey, there you go.
There we go. So you can put your really expensive water
Into
in
the
there,
abyss.
and then you can lock it and stop people stealing it.
The expensive ones. Right, so we're back in the van, and you got the pipe to put on.
Yeah, so this is our pipe. This is obviously the pipe that fits our Fiamma inlet.
It was 40 mil, wasn't it?
Massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, it is huge. This just slides over the top, and then we'd put a clamp on it. So just for, and then at some point it's going to come through and go down through the floor. But before I do that, I have got a reducer on order to reduce this size to the same size as the tank. Now, quite often, or not, you will find that different companies make different standard sizes. Our underslung tank came with its fittings, and they are a different size.
Yeah, so the underslung tank basically has smaller pipe.
Yeah.
So we're going to have to try and fit that onto the small pipe.
Yeah, but that's easily done, actually.
Yeah, and we're basically going to do this as a separate video because we felt like a lot of people have this issue.
Same issue.
So many different companies have different pipe sizes and all sorts.
Yeah,
So,
it's about matching the two together.
Yeah, so when that arrives, we'll do a video on how we're going to fit that to the tank.
But having said that, I really like this inlet. I think it's really nice and neat. And if you were hooking up to a Fiamma tank, something like the slightly smaller, the 70 litre one, that's got the same size neck.
Well, you can see it if you go back and look at our Ben and Anna video. You'll be able to see that is just going straight to that tank. So basically, Fiamma designed that for their tanks, which is fair enough.
Yeah, it's fair enough. But we're going to use it for our underslung tank.
Yes.
So just a reducer to go in line, really. That's it. It will slow the flow of water down a touch, but not enough to make it a problem.